here's the trolley, and I've got to measure what size height I need. Wait a minute here. So the I-beam, if I use an I-beam, then I'll need, from the bottom of the wheel, which will set on the flange, I'm going to need a little bit more, about 3.5 inches. This is going to have to be 3.5 inches. And the flange can be, or the height, that's the height of the flange, or between the flanges. And the bottom flange itself, that measurement has to be 2 11/16 to 5 1/8. So I have to look for, if I use 2 C channels, and if the thickness is 1/4 inch, take those C channels, put them together and weld here, and here I can make my own I-beam, and I think 1/4 inch would be enough to hold 2,000 pounds. And the other thing about it is that I'm putting the top of the rail into ceiling joists, probably with 5/16 bolts or lag screws up into the floor joists, or up into the ceiling joists. And the ceiling joists are 16 on center. But what I might do too, I've been thinking, is the wall is here, and the center rail in the shop is here, and it's 8 feet between them. And if I get pressure treated 2x4s and put them on the wall to the center beam and place them beside the joists, then the load, and put the rail on the, or screw the rail into the pressure treated 2x4s, then it would take the load off the ceiling joists, which might not be a bad idea. Added cost, I'll need probably 13 2x4x8 pressure treated pieces. So the cost is escalating, of course, but we'll have to put this together soon. Winter's coming. I've got a stove, or a fire going on the stove in the shop here, so And by my attire, you can see that hunting season has started November 2nd. Since I live in the woods, I gotta have orange on. It's going pretty good. Got some pretty good heat going here. Alright, thanks for watching. Help me out. Give me some subscriptions. Give me some likes. Thanks a lot.